Oh, here he comes.
Here he comes. Who, Rivers on
Yeah.
it?
Come
He's in
on.
the back right now.
Let's see.
Step over here, Denise. You well,
Well, it's
like that water.
I hear him.
Yeah, here he comes.
Don't stop. Don't stop. You lose your balance and stop. Come on. Put your feet up. Come on.
Good job, River.
Nice.
Good job. You're doing really good. Nina's proud of you. Does his knee pads and stuff fit him?
Yeah.
Because if they don't, I can take them back and get what
Good job,
size.
You gotta get the strap off first.
High five. All
Good
right.
job.
That dog is. I gotta go smoke. He's
Always keep him out. It can hurt you.
It's good.
You ain't learned shift gears yet.
Daddy, can I rip it?
Yeah, put
Did
it
he,
neutral.
he said,
River,
can I rip
River,
it?
Look at me. Look at me. Take a picture. Want to get a little beside him.
Look, be careful.
Yeah,
Watch
send me
out.
all
Look at me.
Take a picture.
Smile. Get over there, Daddy. Side of him.
Mommy. Here, I'll send you by Mommy.
Oh, that'd be a good picture.
That's a good picture.
Thank you.
12 feet long.
Oh, that reminds me of my son. He was that age when he got a motorcycle. I mean,
Was he?
he
Oh.
loved it. He loved it.
Loved it.
I blame the motorcycle paints and little yellow black, and he's 50 years old.
Oh,
I didn't know I didn't mean you.
wow. You've had them all that time?
Yes, I did.
Wow.
I'm a sentimental person, you know.
Hell yeah. We all, it's kind of hard to get